Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to delete products from Shopify. So basically what you'll have to do is simply go to products, so you have to click products here, on the left side, and then here you're going to find all your products. So you can see the status of the product, so it says active, that means that you can basically sell it. So if you want to delete it, simply select it, and as you can see you have different options. So you have bulk edit, set as active, set as draft, or you can click on more actions, and as you can see you can simply click on delete products, or you can simply select remove from collection, and basically that's all. So if you click on delete products, as you can see deleting products, and as you can see products deleted. So basically that's all you have to do in order to delete products. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next